In today's video, we are going to look at the topic of Wi-Fi disconnection. What is Wi-Fi disconnection, or when Wi-Fi disconnection happens? How can we check it? How can we monitor it? How can we troubleshoot it? What are the reasons for it? And when it happens, what are the things we should check from the ONU side or from the OLT side, and how we can troubleshoot it? That is what we are going to see in today's video. First of all, I have connected my ONT to this system. It is a single band ONT called HG323RGW. In this ONT, the internet is already configured. If we check the WAN connection info in the status, we can see the status. Here, the internet configuration is already up in VLAN 105. That means the internet is already connected in this ONT. Now to check whether we are getting internet from this, there is a diagnosy option here. In diagnosy, we can ping Google's DNS IP 8.8.8.8. While pinging, enter the IP properly. Select the WAN interface, which is the internet configuration, and then give ping. If we are getting ping here, it means not only the internet is up in the ONT, but we can also access the internet. So we can confirm that the internet is connected. Now in this situation, if a customer tells us that while using Wi-Fi, sometimes it gets disconnected. Sometimes internet is not available. If such complaints come, how can we monitor it? Or when exactly this issue happens, whether it is continuous or not, whether there is any problem in the connection, how to check and monitor such things is what we are going to see. For that, first of all, since it is a Wi-Fi disconnection issue, we should log into the ONU through Wi-Fi itself. Because if the issue is in Wi-Fi, the system should also be connected through the same Wi-Fi. Now I'm already connected to this ONU's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name is FTTH-A279. This is the Wi-Fi through which my system is connected. Through this Wi-Fi, I am accessing the internet, and through this Wi-Fi, I have logged into the ONU. First, go to status and check the device information. The first thing to check is whether the ONT is running on the latest firmware or an old firmware. If it is running on old firmware, after verifying the hardware version, update it to the latest firmware if available. After updating, we need to check whether the issue still occurs. For that, open command prompt CMD in your computer. Just type CMD in the start menu and open the black window. Here we can check ping. Type ping 8.8.8.8-T and press enter. Now we are pinging Google DNS through Wi-Fi. If there are any Wi-Fi disconnections or interruptions, we will see ping drops here. Now it is continuously giving replies. If there are Wi-Fi issues or interruptions, instead of reply, it will show timeout sometimes. Also, the MS values, which are now around 22, 23, 24, will increase to higher values like 200 milliseconds. So by monitoring ping replies and drops, we can monitor the issue. So always connect through Wi-Fi and keep ping running to Google DNS and then check the other steps. After firmware update, again check whether there are ping drops or timeouts. Next, we can check some Wi-Fi settings. One important thing to check is WLAN settings. The first thing to check is WPS configuration. WPS is the pairing button available on the back side of the ONU. By pressing that button, we can connect to Wi-Fi without entering a password. If WPS is enabled, disable it first and apply changes, because WPS can cause issues. First, WPS can cause connection instability. It is designed for quick pairing, but it continuously keeps the pairing process open in the background. This can confuse devices and trigger reconnection attempts, leading to random drops. Second, conflict with standard authentication. Normal Wi-Fi uses WPA2/WPA3 with password. When WPS is enabled, the ONT tries to handle both WPS and password-based authentication, which can create conflicts, especially in older or buggy firmware. So disable WPS and apply changes. If you are connected through Wi-Fi, the connection may drop. Just turn Wi-Fi off and on again and reconnect. Then check ping again for drops. Next, check LAN DNS mode. Usually it will be set as from ISP. Change it to static and set primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4. Save and apply, then check for ping drops. Next, check the optical signal. In GPON information under one connection, check RX power. A proper signal should be between -15 decibel milliwatts to -25 decibel milliwatts. If not, fix the signal first. After correcting, check ping again. Next, check how many users are connected to Wi-Fi. Since this is a single band ONT, there is a limit. If many users, 5 to 10 or more, are connected, traffic increases, which may cause disconnection issues. To test this, create a new Wi-Fi network, test Wi-Fi, in WLAN Advanced. Enable different SSID isolation and apply changes. Then go to WLAN Security, select the new Wi-Fi, set encryption, WPA2 recommended, and set a password. Connect your system to this test Wi-Fi. Then go to WLAN Security, select the new Wi-Fi, set encryption, WPA2 recommended, and set a password. Connect your system to this test Wi-Fi and check for ping drops. Also, don't forget to bind the new Wi-Fi to the internet configuration, port binding. After binding, save and apply, then check ping again. We created a new Wi-Fi to check whether the issue is due to too many users. If the issue still exists, the final step is dial-up testing. You can dial from ONU or from OLT using the same VLAN. After dial-up, connect the internet to your computer and run ping to 8.8.8.8 for about half an hour. Monitor for ping drops and MS value changes. If ping drops occur even during dial-up, then it is an ISP side issue and should be informed to the ISP. These are the main troubleshooting steps we need to do from our side for Wi-Fi disconnection issues.